This video will show you how to upload your status card portrait photo. Taking your portrait photo is one of the most important parts of applying for your status card application. Indigenous Services Canada has very strict requirements for this photo. If you need help taking the photo, you can check out the video linked in the information card or in the description below that will walk you through this step by step. To start, click the OK, I'm Ready button. Review the requirements set by Indigenous Services Canada for your portrait photo. Once the photo has been taken, click Select and upload your portrait photo. Note that the photo must be original and cannot be an already taken photo like a passport photo or a photocopy. Check the I've read the list above and believe my photo meets other requirements checkbox, then click Save and Continue. Your portrait photo will now be added to your application. If you need any additional help, you can check out our Help Center at support.onefeather.ca or email us at support@onefeather.ca.